Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, today topic of our lecture of sciences is we have to discuss about the difference between animal cells and the plant cells. Well, as you can see in the diagram, this is the diagram of the plant cell and this is the diagram of the animal cell. So first of all, I think we should define what is meant by the cell. Well, the cell is the basic structural and the functional unit of life. जैसे एक दीवार है तो दीवार किससे मिलके बनती है? ब्रिक से. द वॉल इज मेड फ्रॉम द ब्रिक्स. So the brick is the structural and the functional unit of a wall. Just like that, all the living things, including animals and plants, they are basically made up of cells. So the cell is the structural and the functional unit of life. Well, now comes to the topic. We are going to discuss about the difference between plant cell and the animal cell. Well, the first difference is, there it is, cell wall. Okay, as you can see in the diagram as well, that animal cell have a cell wall. Look over here, there is a border like this, but there is no cell wall in the animal cell. So the first difference is the presence of the cell wall. Okay, well, the second difference is chloroplast. Well, plants have the ability to make their own food because the presence of these thylakoids, they are called as a chloroplast. But on the other hand, in animal cell, look over here, can you see any kind of chloroplast over here? No, exactly not, absolutely not. So that's why animals are unable to make their own food, but the plant cells have the ability to make their own food because of these chloroplasts. Okay, we have done the two differences, cell wall and chloroplast. Now comes towards the next one. That is the presence of the large vacuole. Now comes towards the diagram. There it is. This is the animal cell, and as you can see in the diagram, there is a very big, large, prominent vacuole over here. But when you talk about the animal cell, no, there is no large vacuole. Look over here. No. Instead of that, you can see very small little, vacuole which are present in the animal cell. But on the other hand, plants will have a very large vacuole. So now I'm going to repeat: cell wall, chloroplast, and vacuole. This is. Okay. Now our next difference is the presence of the nucleus. Look over here. In the plant cell, the nucleus is present at one side because of the large vacuole. But on the animal cell, the nucleus is very prominent. It is present in the cell, and this is the brain of the cell. Look over here, the nucleus is present at one side due to the presence of the large vacuole, but over here, nucleus is present in the center. It is very prominent one. We have done the three differences: cell wall, chloroplast, vacuole, and the fourth one is the presence of the nucleus. Now comes towards the another one, less lysosomes. In plant cell, there are less lysosomes, but in case of animal cell, we are having a good amount of the lysosomes. Look over here. There are many lysosomes which are present in the animal cell, but in case of plant cell, they are having very lesser number of the lysosome. So these are the difference between animal cells and the plant cell. I hope you understand it very well. In case of any query, in case of any question, then please contact me and ask me the questions about this topic. Thank you and best of luck.